Alright, let's both those cars. Nice clean Beamer there, next to a lovely Mark 1 in white. Looks really clean actually. Next to this bad boy. Oh, look at that. Now that is a big fat ass turbo. The pipe in itself is fucking huge. Oh, loving that. They are gorgeous looking, but I prefer this lovely Challenger. Oh, those are stunning. Lovely old Escort here. Tin beard as well, look at that beard. Nearly looks like her logo. I wonder if it's not based on the same clip art. Oh, gorgeous engine bay, look at that. That is absolutely lovely. Here's a little pumpkin. Sorry. No, that's no problem. They always get colorful on the inside, Subarus, when they get done. Yeah, we've got a Mini as well. Carbon looking bonnet, I think it is carbon. Yellow wrapped Passat and bagged. Lovely repair there. Type R. With red accent. Oh, lovely Venturi intake. Oh, next to this Toyota Celica, nicely done as well. Next to another Celica as well, nicely done. This is the intercooler in there. Lovely engine bay. Next to that we've got the Subaru stand with plenty of Subarus, as you would expect. Bit of a snakeskin wrap on that, nice. Ah, this is gorgeous. What the fuck? Next to a 350Z. Next to a Type R EP3, still getting some TLC. Same for this Golf. Another Golf here is some nice wheels on that. Peugeot 207 with like some really colorful wrapping in there. A Toyota something. Ooh, lovely Mark 2. Ooh, usually snail in it. Oh man, that is lovely. Really nicely done. You got an Alpha. You don't see those a lot at all at shows. This one got a very good looking engine bay. Yeah, Citroen C4. I think it's the first one I actually see done up. C4 VTS. Make sure you go follow it. French, because mechanic needs jobs too. Yeah, we've got an old S3 next to this Ford Focus. You can follow this one there. And over there we've got Aid with Project D. Big changes coming for it, which we will be covering obviously, but the power plant should be going this winter, and we had a little preview of what the new power plant sounds like, and yeah, we want to stay tuned for that. This car is going to basically go from looking like it rips to actually ripping like it looks. Obviously. And here we've got a little Ford Fiesta ST. You can follow it there. Lovely engine bay. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Next to that we've got an EP3 Type R in red. Lovely with the white wheels. Charlie Boy EP3, go follow it. And Aid today is on the Mood Gang, so go check them out too. Here we've got a bunch of Ford. Lovely wheels on that. You can follow this one here. Nice big wing. Might as well get the banner in, don't we? Not the best car to sit next to the banner, but never mind. Anyway, let's explore this rather big section. Quite a wrap on that. Red Corsa boy. This is a little Polo. Yeah, that is the one. So those guys are the Street Elite Cruisers. Go check them out. Long Proof Mafia. Thatyellowdatsun, you can go follow it here. Oh, it is a Civic estate, very nice. Next to that we've got a VXR, all blacked out with Polo wheels, go follow it there. This is a lovely Honda Civic. Go follow it here. Smileitsonlycock. Good tag. This is gorgeous wide body 180 SX. That is sexy as hell. Lovely side view, man. And pop-up headlight. Everything is better with pop-up headlight, but that is stunning. And next to this little Skyline. Well, little. Follow this one then. Nissan 300 ZX Turbo. Oh wow, that's got to be an early gen. Yeah, man. Like that. With the old pop-up headlight, it is stunning. Toyota Chaser or Subaru. Love the plate though. K321 lag. Oh no, I should have learned from Go Japan. This is a Toyota Aristo. Little MX-5 next to that with a hardtop. Toyota Chaser in black. Double barrel at the back. They are stunning cars. And look at all that sparkles.
Rear end, mate. Rear end. The rear end.
Yeah. So you know, if you've got 20 quid, oh wow, look at that. The color changing wrap on this Jag. Oh lovely, look at that. I don't know if you can see it well, but there's actually the Jaguar logo in the wrap as well. That is lovely as well. Yeah, lovely MG. Next to this, oh no, sorry. Yeah, we know this one, but I thought it was another one, not this one. It's lovely. Next to this little Ford Fiesta. A lovely MR2. In black, it's lovely. So Somebody walking around here.
You need to make that call.
Ford Mustang in red, gorgeous. Very nice. Sits so high compared to like this blacked out 350Z that has been fully wrapped in carbon effect, I believe. Yeah. Follow it here. Looks nice like that actually. Gorgeous. Right there. Alright, and here we've got a lovely Fiesta. I'm not sure what this is, but this is like a pickup. 86. Little Mark 1, looking good. Little Seat in red and white, sort of look like Marlboro livery. Next to a lovely MR2 who's got the bonnet open, so it'll be rude not to look. Follow this one here and follow this one there. Very nice. Stockish looking. And next to that we've got a BMW with a big spoiler. An E92. Why do I know that? Because here that's the tag. We'll follow it. Oh yeah, bit shagged at the front. Next to a E from a Mercedes. Looks like A45 because it's got the spoiler, but it doesn't always mean it is one. You can follow this one here. Alright, pistonhead.com, you should know it. If you're a car fan, good place to browse for like really odd cars and cool stuff, but yeah, look at this Porsche. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. And look, it's nice, the sun is coming to the party as well. But yeah. What a car. Somebody is like, that's the Seat Hoover. Yes, stunning. That interior, man. Imagine driving that on a nice little B road on a sunny day. RS4, very nice too. But I mean, you know, sitting next to that, a bit more boring. Gorgeous car though. Renault Clio V6. You don't see those a lot. Gorgeous.
V6, the Renault.
Oh, lovely Sylvia. Absolutely gorgeous. Spec car as well. Next to this R34 in black. But look at that interior. Lush. Huh? They don't do class like that no more. Absolutely adore those. Little Toyota Chaser, or that name I always get wrong. Oh, the tag here, written on the piece of paper. Very clean, all in white. You can go follow it there. Yeah. I do have a sexy as those S15. Toyota Yaris GR MN. So that's going to rip. the tag here. Pretty sure we've seen this at, oh yes, Go Japan, in the legendary enclosure. Datsun Skyline 240k coupe, very nice.
I've heard one of his mates used to work for me, but I'm boss in the band.
No, so I'm ex-boss, so that's
Yeah, apparently she's been, a lot of the people that work there, they've said, yeah.
Oh yes, classic Honda CRX, now you're talking. Another one I will not mind, but even the double garage is going to get small pretty quick at this rate. Next to a Prelude, lovely. I do like the Prelude. You often see them with a black bonnet. Type R here, with some engine modes. And here we've got an EP3, or an, oh sorry, an AK3 I think. Oh, look at that whale penis, I think they're called. S14A paper. Another one we kind of see everywhere, but we're always happy to see 350Z in orange and an MR2 in black. There is also Adam C in here somewhere. Oh, should we go and be like, oh, I'm not Adam C? It's okay, I can make fun of them, they don't really watch our videos anymore. More recent Micra done up. Done up like that is sort of look like it's starting to look like a 350Z. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. My dad used to have one of them in automatic. That's actually the first car I ever drove. Oh, him was an estate though. But yeah, it was an automatic, and because my dad told me that he used to steal his mother's car at the age of 14. At 14, I grabbed his keys, took his car and went for a drive. Oh, bloody Prelude, that's gorgeous. Those as well. Really big fan of Toyota Starlet GT Turbo. Oh, we've seen this recently. Next to a Toyota Supra in white. Very clean 350Z. Gorgeous Honda. Oh, lovely hydro dipping on this Subaru, as you can see. And a light touch here. Next to this Soarer. That's not a Soarer, is it? I don't know. If it's not a Soarer, it's a Soarer Zero. Oh, look at that. It's lovely hydro dipping. Gorgeous looking engine bay as well. Really stunning. Oh yeah, no, it is a Soarer. This one looking from up couldn't see it right. And I'm shit at cars as well, especially GDM stuff. Free ride. Gas or ass? Personally, I would pick gas. Ooh, Corrado. See, Corrado, we do need to have a look. Because those are beautiful. 16 valve as well. I wonder if it's a diesel lack. Robs has some BBS wheels on that.
It's really high mileage though. I think it's about 20,000.
Like the wrap on this. I believe that is a S3, but in the sedan shape. Okay, go far, little Alpha there. Boom, 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 boom. Get a quick browse. Nothing that mad. Quite a stunning car here. white accent, big wing, wheel. You can follow it there. I love that bicolor wrap. Gorgeous. Nice and flat as well. Surprised you don't see more of them. A bit glued in at the minute. Because they were used in rally a lot, yet you don't see many of them build up like the Ford. Seems like a rally fan always more into Ford than anything else. Alright, here's going to be a bit loud in the background, but there are lovely sound of car racing around, so anyway, let's check that a little bit before it. Cool plate on that. Oh, that's a 300 ZX we know more. But again, I wonder if it's the same as Go Japan, because that's the grey, where the grey doesn't continue. But apparently I've been told there is a long wheelbase version of it, so it might be it, because it does make the ass look slightly weirder than the rest. Oh yes, Mitsubishi Galant. We really don't see those often at all, yet they are such stunning cars. Squid and little skeleton, but he's got his mic, so you know he's safe. Work in progress. But already stunning like that. Little Unos Roadster, BBS wheels, rocker cage on the inside. Oh, look at this gorgeous old Merc race spec. That's gorgeous. See, Mercs from that era I like, nice and square. Look at that white body as well, stunning. Nicely done on the inside, nice and clean. Stunning. Yep, little mini Leon Cupra works next to a little i30N. I do love those. Civic EP3 Type R. Ooh. Little baby Volkswagen GTI, they are nice as well. Oh, gorgeous. Mazda RX-7. Early days. Oh, sorry. I do prefer the FD, but that's even rarer. Ford Escort here. Oh, stunning in black like that. Here we got a lot of those BMW. Is that a Z4? Look at this. Fiat, got it on the tip of my bloody tongue, but you know, those tiny little Fiat. That's cool. And look at that wing as well. Boom. Yeah, Panda, that's it. 350Z, they're convertible. That's Adam C's car, you know. I'm not Adam C. It's okay. They are not watching, I don't think. Otherwise, they know I'm joking. We love Viking views. They are our brothers from another country, kind of thing, you know, something in that spirit. A closer look at this Mitsubishi Evo in black like that, really stunning. But yeah, that is lovely. Next to a black Supra. Loved by a lot. Personally, I would never buy one. It's outside look, you know. It's just not my style. That seems to be in a full race spec as well, with splitters, big canard. wide body kit. Nice little bit here, so the air can get out, and a big fat wing. The pop-up headlight. Oh, those I would fucking. Those I'll do stuff to get one. Like work hard and save money and then just buy one. Great, absolutely stunning. With an exhaust that pops out nicely. Here we can really see them side by side. Those are absolutely stunning as well. Love the booty, adore the front. Bucket seat, cage, but yeah, it's that front, you know. Those headlights are so stunning. Lovely engine bay, that Ford Focus ST, absolutely love that. So beautifully done. Also, I'll zoom in on the weld, because after having done a car show with Rob, he basically looked at the cage and oh, look at that splatter, and even stuff that, you know, I think looks nice. I actually think it's done terrible if the welding is not right. Pretty sure this is done lovely though. That too, you can see that. Yes, it's so gorgeous. Look at the size of that. It's just fucking huge. And there is no music at the event, but unfortunately somebody is running music anyway, so let's just hope it's not copyrighted stuff, eh? Because otherwise you're going to have a lot of quiet time, guys. Lovely Ford Focus ST here. And follow the tag there. Very nicely done. Next to another one. With the GoPro at the front. Apparently it's vented. Big wing and action at the back as well. Oh, love the color on this BMW. A lovely khaki, I would call that. M3, lovely plate as well. Next to the Polo WRX. We've seen this one in a few. It was on the dark side modified stand at Go Japan. The tag here and the boot setup. Another one has Citroen WRX. Go follow it there. That's the interior. Very flashy green. Dark light. Lovely engine bit. Next to another one. Lovely engine bay on that as well. Big kind and filter. The stand. Oh, let's have a look over there. Look at this lovely Silvia in black. Gorgeous. You don't see that model that much either. But yeah, what an engine bay, man. I bet that shift. Lovely offset on that. Next to a bag, the Golf. Next to this beauty, I mean, look at that. The engine is at the back, but that is so stunning.
engine, V8 GTE.
I love that as well, fat bastard. Next to this, a lovely RS. With a little eyebrow built in, nice touch. Music going on. Follow this one here. Oh yeah. If you watch on MC, you've seen this boot before. Very cool. Never seen it in person, but yeah, it is a nice touch. Next to that, you've got a Renault van with a Renault RS engine. Renault Clio Sport in the Renault yellow. Next to that, we've got a modern Honda Civic. Next to that, we've got this gorgeous Volkswagen. Lovely engine bay. Lovely BBS wheels with that period. But that is gorgeous. And next to that we've got a Seat with a big ass spoiler. You can follow this one here, K1 Orion. Nice orange color. Lovely Volvo V70, I think. The brick. Lovely laser interior. That's right. It's actually 850 because I know my Volvo so well too. That's a Golf though. Very more of a... Ah, look at that. Next to a Golf R in white, looks very nice. Next to a lovely GTI box edition. And that is it for this enclosure. Unlike at Go Japan, the Civic Cup is continuing. So here we are in the paddock, as you can see. There is quite a few Civics everywhere. I'm leaving some room here, letting that Civic go through. Civics that have been patched up. I'm not going to go through all of the racing Civics. They are pretty much all the same. They're all EP3s. They're all lovely. And yeah, I'm going to keep browsing the rest of the car, and then we'll go and try to capture. Here we go. One more. Here's one more. One more. One more. And one more over there. Somebody's waiting patiently here for it. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on. That's nice. See, that's something like that I want for the S3, but fully tunneled for the radiator. That's gorgeous, huh? And you can see, I think he's got the little hydro stuff or whatever. Fuel cell here. That's where you put your stuff in. Oh yeah, proper race car. Very nice. Ooh. Focus every time. Beauty Fiesta ST. Hiding in the corner. Yet really well made. Fully caged. Follow this one here. Oh yeah, very nice. See here, it's basically here we've got the padlock there. You see the green roof? So it's the car of people assisting the team and stuff. So here it's clearly somebody who parked there but still had a nice car. Anyway, let's go find out more. orange latest MX-5. I really like those. I think they did a great job on the front, on the headlights. So much more aggressive. Little Ford there, little Vauxhall there, little 5 Gen Supra there. Ooh, micro race car. Oh yes, look at this beauty, man. Oh, so cool. Oh, look at that engine bay as well, man. This fab header, this fab bar. Coolest Micra I've seen that hasn't been swapped. Coolest Micra altogether is the one with the VTEC swap. So good. Alright. Now we've got a Evo respect. Ooh! Alright, I think I have been outdone. It is a pretty big diffuser as well. See, I've been thinking of doing that actually, putting a little plate as well and actually isolate the exhaust on mine. Or I'm actually thinking of integrating the exhaust as part of the diffuser so it takes less room, better airflow. But yeah, this is mad. Look at that bloody wing, man. Look at this aero as well. Really nice. Yeah, the thing with those events, sometimes you've got to actually browse around to see the good one. Ooh, R1. That is nice as well. Little Peugeot 206 that is getting restaurant too. Alright. Lovely old Ford in there. Good. Very nice. Another one of those EP3 race car. Subaru race car. Another Evo race car. Only Subaru there. See, that's how you white body shape. Lovely.
In towards Cora, but he's going to be under pressure surely from George Williams. They work their way down towards Murray for the completion of lap number 1, but just shows how cold it is.
Oh yeah, let's have a look. Actually, couple of Evos.
13, 14 degrees air temperature, but track temperature.
Follow the tag there. Look at those splitter, man. Man, you think that's a big splitter? Check this one out. Oh, and look at those little side stuff there on the side. That's mad. Never seen that. Always love those. There's a massive wing as well. Look at
the line, 1.8 seconds at the line between forward and fifth. But that should
and we've got this thing here.
After the little battle we had there between Ryan
I have no idea what that is. Xenos, it says on the inside.
But up front, Morgan Bailey still continues to lead, 1.5 seconds.
Well,
at the end of the first lap, but you can see already that Alistair Camp is starting to close things down as they work their way now on towards the end of the lap.
I reckon this is pretty fun.
David Beauty in the mix there, number 51. You've got number 40 as well, which is trying to find his way through. That's Bradley Lane.
Tons of power.
Damage to the rear bumper as well. So
In a tiny little package.
contact.
An interesting exhaust shape. You're right. Oh yeah, really cool. But yeah, light and bunch of power. Doesn't matter what it looks like, you're going to have fun in it. And here we go, guys. That is the event finish. Everybody is starting to go. So I'm going too. Let's see if this time we can have the car in Adam's video. We did plenty of event where he's there doing the exit. I'm never in it. Black S3 though, innit? Doesn't stick out.